Hi to everyone. Akwede Esther is my name. My presentation is on technology trends and technologies in my context in the last 10 years. And these include social media trends. Social media includes the internet and the mobile technologies for interactive social networking, which facilitates collaboration. The earlier platforms are YouTube, Facebook, which in around 2009, with 3G connectivity by Orange Uganda, comes on and went public in 2012. Not to forget Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google+, and TikTok, which was released around 2016, but originally launched as a short-form video sharing platform. But in 2019 and 2020, it has grown to a fully fledged video service with content available to all types of viewers. Social media can be used to achieve a lot. It can be used to enhance learning. For example, WhatsApp, which is easier and cheap to use in my context, was first used for just communication purposes and later used in teaching and learning to link students and teachers together. It allows them to form groups, communicate among themselves, facilitate social interactions, and encourage sharing of learning materials, which can be through images and videos. Social media can also be used as a marketing strategy. With Uganda upgrading to 4G and then in 2020 MTN launch of 5G, institutions and people are experiencing an improved service across all aspects. It is important to consider hybrid and online learning trends as well. Hybrid learning is an educational model where some students attend class like we see in this picture in person, while others join in the class virtually from home and from anywhere they can. In some cases, hybrid classes include asynchronous learning elements like online exercises and pre-recorded video instruction to support face-to-face classroom sessions. Contrary to the earlier years, when students would have to travel to attend lectures physically for about 2 weeks, many institutions have adapted technology to support hybrid learning, including expanded cloud-based services, access to virtual private networks, Zoom, and other learning platforms. Equipment such as headsets and cameras are shifted from desktops to laptops, training staff, upgrading their classes, and conference rooms to support flexible hybrid learning. For example, Makerere University uses a technology called Moodle, known as Muweli. Moodle Learning Management System is a web-based technology used to provide an instructor with a way to create and deliver content, monitor student participation, and assess student performance. I personally did a course with Agder University in Norway, which was using Canvas, and we could attend class in real time with other students in Norway. Another trend is online group work and collaboration. Many tools are available for document collaboration in face-to-face or online. Instead of just sending emails with attachments of different versions of a file back and forth, workers or students can go to cloud-based documents to collaborate while using documentation creation tools, including Google Drive, just like we can see in this picture. These tools have a variety of features to encourage collaboration, such as built-in chat, tracking changes, the ability to insert comments, and different levels of sharing, ranging from viewing to editing. These tools can be used for group brainstorming, small group responses to discussion questions, and group creation of study guides. These and others are the technology trends and technologies in my context in the last 10 years. Thanks for your time. I will appreciate your contribution. Thanks once more.